I have to honestly say that this is one of my first challenges that I have joined, and the confidence challenge was of one that really brought a lot of wow factors out of me. The challenges that were presented throughout the 21 days, what's in my bag, like it really brought a lot of inner thinking for women to get clarity based upon helping you to bring that confidence out of you, with which you already had in you, but you just needed someone to help you to see how to bring it out of you. One of the main ones that stick with me is the accessory challenge. Um, with this challenge and the examples that we're giving to help you brainstorm and really get your wheels spinning, the accessory challenge really helped me, and I will never forget this challenge because the birthstone of my grandmother and then the butterfly logo that I have for my coaching business, to just feel how that empowerment to me when I'm facing a doubt or fear, but having it so dear to my heart as I wear it on a chain, was something that I thought was amazing. We as women, we have all the qualities and everything in us, but sometimes we just need that one person to help us bring it out of us. And this is what the challenge was able to help me do. Coach Tressa, she always showed up, gave examples, comments on everyone's post, her energy, her tone. It was very, very encouraging. Every interaction was something that really made you feel like, damn, I got this. I know I can do this. As we all have it in us, but we just get stuck in our own limiting beliefs and thinking that we don't have it. So, this was definitely a good challenge. And to anyone that is thinking of taking this challenge, I kid you not, this will be something to really bring out the inner, whatever it is that's in you is going to come out of you. And Coach T has a way of bringing that out of you with her challenges. All of the challenges were very, very effective, very, very encouraging. Um, Even down to the playlist. The playlist was a good one because it really gets your wheels spinning, and then you see all your other team members listing their playlists, and you're like, oh wow, I never thought of that song. So everyone in the community was so helpful, so encouraging, so uplifting. It was just an all the way around good challenge. So I do thank you so much for this challenge. Um, it will not go unnoticed. I feel more and more embodied and more encouraged to show up and be bold and be radiant. Thank you.